In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Bing AI Image Generator. Now this is a new feature from Bing, and it's actually powered by DALL-E, and if you didn't know what that is, it's actually an image generator that's developed by OpenAI, and they are the same people that's made ChatGPT. So it can generate realistic images just from text descriptions. So as you can see here, I've just typed in dog, and it's given me some photos of a dog. But this is quite a simple image. The cool thing is you can add in tons of different little details. Those details will be reflected in the photo which it gives you. So the way to actually find this would just be to type in Bing AI Image Generator, and then you'll see this as the first result, and you want to go ahead and click on this. Now you do have to log into your Microsoft account with this, so if you don't have a Microsoft account, you do have to sign up first, but it won't take too long. So when you come on the site, we go into this bit that says Explore Ideas, and here's where we can see images that have been made by other people. And the cool thing about this is you can hover over this and you can learn what the prompt is. So if you're having trouble getting the style that you want with your prompts, you can come here and you can get inspiration. So if you want any sort of photo the same style as any of these, you can see what they typed in to get these prompts, and then you can try and replicate that for yourself. So when you actually want to generate an image, you want to come over to Creations, and in this search bar at the top, we want to type in what we want to see. Now just to let you know, this does run off credits, but these are not paid, so you can create images more quickly with these boost credits. And if you run out, you can still get it done, but it will take a lot longer, so keep that in mind. And every week, these do actually refresh, so don't worry, you won't have to pay to get more. So let's type in something a bit more unique now. Let's type in cat wearing a top hat, Van Gogh. So I've typed in cat wearing a top hat, and then I put in a comma and put Van Gogh style. So let's see what this gives me. So it's just loading now, and hopefully in a second here we should have some images. Now when it does actually load in, it will give us 4 different images, as you can see with this dog one. And from there you can click which one you prefer, and then you can download it if you do actually like it. If you generate something that you don't actually like, you can edit your prompt a little bit. Try and change it a bit so you can get rid of what you didn't like. So as you can see here, it's now generated a cat wearing a top hat in a Van Gogh style. And that is a pretty good generation considering what I asked for. So the possibility is endless with this. And you can basically use this to create artwork which might not even exist. So if you needed a certain type of photo for a video or something like that, you can use this method to basically create whatever photos you like. So I quite like this one down here, so I'm just going to click on this here, and here it brings open a bigger version of it. So from here we can save it, or we can download it by clicking here, and we can also customize it by clicking here, and this will open the Microsoft Designer. Now all of your past art that you've created will be down here on the right where it says recent. So if you made a photo before and you wanted to come back to this dog one, you simply click on it, and then you can choose whichever photo, and you can come straight back to it whenever you like. Something else that's quite cool is this surprise me button. So this will literally generate something completely random. It might not be very helpful, but it is pretty cool to see what it will give you. So it's giving me the number 2 made out of leaves on a teal background, photorealistic. So let's click this and just see how this turns out. So as you can see, that is pretty good. If you're using this for a logo or something, this would be a really high quality logo that you could actually use. And this could actually save you money, so you wouldn't have to spend money on like a graphic designer or a logo designer or something like that. So hopefully you now know how to use Bing AI's image generator. If you do, please comment down below to say that this video helps you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.